You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase. This is the name of a poem, also a ballad in English, but it's a phrase from French. The French pronunciation: La belle dame sans merci. La belle dame sans merci, poem by John Keats. Also Alain Chartier. In English, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say it as La belle dame sans merci. La belle dame sans merci. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.